how to adjust the colors of a video so that it will look nicer inside PowerDirector version 19. So first of all, click on the clip itself to select it. Fix Enhance, click on that button, and we will use just the lighting. Check that one. Lighting adjustment, if you want you can adjust it. And color enhancement. So the first one is making the darker areas a bit brighter, but selectively, not everything and only if needed. And it's slightly increasing the contrast also. And color enhancement when necessary and not for all of the parts, it's increasing the saturation, but it's doing it pretty wisely. So if you want, you can reduce it from there. For color enhancement, let's say 30 would be enough, and for lighting only 10 would be enough. But for this example, let's just leave it on a higher value so that we can see it. And by checking this compare in split view, you can see it how it looks without the effects applied and with the effects. And this video was shot on a gimbal, so it's pretty stable, but if you want you can use this video stabilizer. Check it from here and use a low value, let's say 10, and thus it will cut off only just a small amount from the edge of the video. So this is without and that's with the correction. As you can see, it's a bit more contrasty and nicer, more colorful, saturated. This is more dull and that's more colorful. Here is darker, there is a bit brighter. And I have another clip here on the timeline, and to apply the same settings to all of the clips, you can use this one, apply to all, and then the settings will be visible on that one also. Let's compare in split view, so that's without the effect and that's with the effect. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.